Addict Nick in the building. What's good, y'all? Today we back here with another banger video. All right, today we have a special video coming. All right, and we're getting our wheels put on today. So as you can see, I got all the wheels sitting here in the car. All right, I left one of the tires on because we're on the way to the tire shop. So I want them to be able to see like what type of fitment I'm trying to run. This is the type of fitment that I'm trying to run here. But yeah, today's the day. We've been sitting in my garage since the last video that y'all saw, and where I cleaned them and everything like that. All right, but y'all, a few announcements tonight to make. If y'all have not gone to go see my video with Tay Wavy, please go check that video out. That video was an absolute banger, y'all. Like the whole entire video. I know it's a little bit longer than expected, but it was like almost like 40 minutes. But y'all, trust and believe, y'all. Trust and believe it's worth it, y'all. So y'all please go make sure y'all watch that video. Very entertaining, alright. And like I said, y'all can just get an exclusive look inside the car other than going to go watch his own videos or whatnot. I asked him a few questions that maybe, you know, some of y'all would have wanted to ask or whatnot. But and he answered great. He just gave good energy all around, y'all. Car was just overall just in mint condition, all right. So y'all, he gave me a once in a lifetime experience, all right. So y'all please make sure y'all go run that video up, like, comment, subscribe. All right, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I will see you guys when I get to the tire shop. All right, you guys, so I'm here at the tire shop. All right, as you can see, well, over here somewhere. All right, so y'all, let me tell you, okay, because I did not record all this, everything that happened. But let me tell you guys what happened. So I went to 4 different tire shops, including this one. I went to a tire shop over by my house, this one, and I went to Sam's Club and Costco, all right? Y'all, the tire size that I was looking for, none of the shops had them at all, okay? So I came to this one. I was looking for a 215/40 R18, okay? And like I said, nobody had them because everybody was telling me that they were special orders, okay? And because it's like a stretch tire, it was just like, yeah, it just wasn't able to, nobody had them at all. So what happened was, I want to thank you to Priority Tire for allowing me to get some good tires, brand new, brand stinking new for a low, all right, y'all. And they got it to me in like a day and a half. So y'all please make sure y'all go hit up Priority Tire. Not sponsored at all, okay? But y'all, I'm ready. We're gonna go ahead and get this transformation put on. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. But y'all, like, literally the guy had told me, he was like, we don't have a 215/40, but he was like, he thinks they had some 235s, but he was like, that would literally be like a rubber band, bro. And it was like, he was basically saying that my tire would, you know, probably pop like easily. So like, it was like with a snap of a finger. So I waited. You know, last time what happened with the ones that I have now, the bug on me. Last time that happened with the ones I have now, I was basically in a rush to get them put on, and I got the wrong tire size, y'all. So the tire size that I was looking for, they did not have, and y'all, they literally just didn't fit. So the ones I'm wearing right now, and one thing that I hate, I hate that they have a big sidewall. And like I said, I wanted low profile, but I was in a rush. I wasn't thinking, and yeah, I had to rock with those because they were used as well. So but yeah, we got these. We took the time. We got the right size and everything like that. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all be sure to subscribe to this. See you guys in the next part.
I don't call, just buy her new Celine. I've been up for weeks, damn I barely sleep. GTA lifestyle, I'm rich, I barely have dreams. 10 years, yeah, we stay down for this, my
end up having to come home and take the wheels off and put my stocks back on, okay? But as y'all can see, what happened was, the reason we had to do that is, I don't know if y'all can see if it's like kind of wet, right? It kind of looks like kind of wet, like melted here. Basically, I ended up driving around a corner and started smoking really bad because the rear of my car is like very bouncy, all right? And every bump that I was hitting, it was hitting the tire. So I didn't want to take the risk of basically, you know, these tires take 50 PSI, while these only take 32 PSI. All right, but if y'all do have any comments or basically anything that would be able to help me out as far as what I need to do, I'm thinking about fender rolling would have to be one, and definitely getting some Swift springs for the back, just probably going around like 42K, hopefully for the back, maybe 38K, but I feel like 38 may be a little bit bouncy. But if y'all do have any comments that will be able to help your boy out, leave it down in the comment section below so that way I can know. But yeah, for right now, these are gonna have to sit into the garage until I'm ready for them, all right? And until I get my fenders widened, fenders rolled, and some Swift springs for the back, all right? So be sure to y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, leave your comments down below on like what you think I should do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Somebody come get this nigga, he smoking that shit again. Still this bitch, that shit sad, I'm finna hit again. Load it up, send him home. I'm posted up, $1 million home. 10 lines on my account, I still can't call a bitch. Ain't do it all alone, but I still need all of it. Run around here and take all of it. Bought my mama a crop burp like she want ostrich. Being this slow, she still squirt. I forgot to take the tag off my jacket. Cost me more than it did the ops a casket. So much hit, I almost died from it like Saget. Hit this bitch with my nails painted, now hold up. Somebody come get this nigga, he smoking that shit again. Still this bitch, that shit sad, I'm finna hit again. Load it up, send him home.
I'm the type of motherfucker nigga never have my hand up. Stupid motherfucker in my pocket, nigga know I got my cash hanging out. Big 30 on that motherfucker long way, know that bitch hanging out. Bad bitch, lean like with the slime ball, know she like to hang out. Middle finger with the vibe, bitch, that's where I hang out. Partner late night with a motherfucker like I do the shootouts. You ain't about what you talking about, you can't hang out. Please don't try to jump off the boys, you too old now.
Bind down, fell in love with sand. I traveled back in time to give a slave at FN. I've been high as God and still seeing. I done lost, I done won, but I took it all, long chin. Damn, tryna make 100 million, I don't need friends. Damn, all I need is drugs, I be A-OK. I'm geeked up, flying around, but I won't say today. Somebody come get this nigga, he smoking that shit again. Still this bitch, that shit sad, I'm finna hit